Hi guys, today video we have few most important questions from trigonometry. Let's prove that. Is our first question is sec square a plus cosec square a is equal to sec square a into cosec square a. Is our first question. We are going to prove that easy method. So we can choose LHS to RHS. LHS sec square a plus cosec square a. We know that sec square a is equal to 1 upon cos square a plus cosec square a is equal to 1 upon sin square a. Sec a is equal to 1 upon cos a or sec square a is equal to 1 upon cos square a is our formula. You can choose common cos square a into sin square a. This cross multiply sin square a plus cos square a. Sin square a plus cos square is equal to 1. This is our formula. Cos square a into sin square a. Same. You can do separate 1 upon cos square a into 1 upon sin square a. 1 upon cos square a is equal to, we know that, again, sec square a into 1 upon sin square a is equal to cosec square a is our proof that. First question. Next second question is our second question, very important for your exam, every exam. Sec a into 1 minus sin a, next into sec a plus tan a is equal to 1. We are going to prove that. Easy method is LHS. Sec 1 minus sin a into sec a plus tan a. We know that sec a is equal to 1 by cos a is our formula. Sec a is equal to 1 upon cos a, 1 minus sin a, same you can write 1 minus sin a, and sec a plus tan a formula, use formula. Sec a is equal to 1 upon same cos a plus tan a is equal to sin a upon cos a. Just use formula. You know that tan a is equal to sin a upon cos a. Next step, you can write 1 upon cos a, 1 minus sin a, same cos a is common, 1 cos a 1 plus sin a. You can write cos a is equal to same, so that you can write 1 cos a 1 minus sin a, 1 minus sin a, same, into 1 plus sin a, 1 plus sin a, same, 1 minus sin a, 1 plus sin a is equal to a square minus b square. A plus b, a minus b formula. It's 1 square minus sin square a upon cos a is equal to cos square a cos a is equal to cos square a to cos a multiply 1 minus Sin square A upon cos square A. We know that 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A is our formula. 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A upon cos square A. Cos square A, cos square A, cos is equal to 1. Formula 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A is our formula. Is so prove that is very most important question for your every exam. Hello. Sec A 1 minus sin A sec A plus tan A is equal to 1 is going to prove that sec A is equal to we know that 1 upon cos A 1 minus sin A same sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A plus tan A is equal to sin upon cos A is our formula. Same this 1 upon cos A same and it's common. Cos A common. We are going to add 1 cos A 1 plus sin A same. It cos A into cos A is cos square A 1 minus sin A 1 plus sin A same. Next A square minus B square. A square minus sin square A upon cos square A. A square, sorry, 1 square is equal to 1. We know that 1 minus sin square A upon cos square A. 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A is our formula. Cos square A cot is our one. Prove that. Our next question is our next question. Very important but very easy. Sin square A plus cos sin A plus cos A whole square plus sin A minus cos A whole square is equal to 2 is the count. You can choose the LHS part. Sin sin A plus cos A whole square is equal to A plus B whole square. You can use formula A plus B square A square plus 2AB plus B square is sin square A plus 2AB formula 2 sin A cos A plus cos square A and next plus A minus B whole square. A square minus 2AB plus B square is sin square A minus 2AB sin A into cos A plus cos square A is our formula plus 2 sin A plus 2 sin A 2 sin A cos A minus you can cut 2 sin A cos A 2 sin A cos A is other sin square A both are pluses 2 sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 2 cos square A. Both side 2 common 2 sin square A plus cos square A. We know that sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 2 hour. Prove that very easy. Thank you for our video.